Published, 1713 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 2nd of April 2018. Updated, 1823 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 2nd of April 2018. President Donald Trump's renewed attacks on Amazon and China's pushback against billions in new U.S. tariffs sent the markets on another dive that wiped out the gains Trump has touted. A day that began with another Trump tweet going after the online retailer that also owns The Washington Post ended with the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping 1.9%, or 459 points. That was an improvement from earlier in the day, when the Dow plunged more than 750 points. The broader S. Trader Tommy Kalikas works on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange on Monday as stocks fall amid new Chinese import duties. Monday saw a major market sell-off as President Trump went after Amazon and China slapped new tariffs on U.S. product. Swaying down the index was Amazon, down 5.9% after Trump's relentless attacks on a company Trump blamed for costing the Postal Service a fortune. Only fools, or worse, are saying that our money-losing post office makes money with Amazon. They lose a fortune, and this will be changed, Trump tweeted. Also, our fully tax-paying retailers are closing stores all over the country. Not a level playing field. The tweet followed a series of earlier attacks last week, a period which has seen Amazon stock drop by more than 10%. The Dow closed at 23,644, in another dramatic day of high-pressure trading in a year that featured a long climb through January and a steep February drop. Among other losers in the market were those bracing for new tariffs applied by China Monday, in response to new Trump administration tariffs following a saber-rattling tweet by Trump that the U.S. would win any trade war. Amazon's chief Jeff Bezos left Larry Page of Alphabet, Facebook coup Sheryl Sandberg, Vice President-elect Mike Pence and President-elect Donald Trump attend a meeting at Trump Tower on December 14, 2016 in New York. The tweet suggested that he plans to order a review of Amazon's contact with the Postal Service. Amazon stock price was down nearly 5% on Monday, with a total loss of $31 billion in value since Trump started targeting the company in tweets on March 29. Tech stocks took a beating Monday, as the Nasdaq dropped 2.74% after a volatile three-month period. Tech stocks took a beating Monday, as the Nasdaq dropped 2.74%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped almost 2% Monday. They also followed the Trump administration's decision to slap a 25% tariff on imported steel and a 10% tariff on aluminum. China jacked up duties on $3 billion worth of U.S. goods. U.S. companies from Tyson Foods, down 4.6%, to Hormel and Pilgrim's Pride took a hit. The new tariffs ran as high as 25% on a list of U.S. In the escalating war of words, the White House accused China of distorting global markets. China's subsidization and continued overcapacity is the root cause of the steel crises, said White House spokeswoman Lindsay Walters. Instead of targeting fairly traded U.S. exports, China needs to stop its unfair trading practices which are harming U.S. national security and distorting global markets, she said. China slapped tariffs on U.S. products from pork to soybeans Monday and March 29. Trump went after Amazon for its tax treatment, and allied himself with brick-and-mortar retailers. The Trump Organization is a major real estate owner, and it has commercial tenants including Nike and Tiffany in New York. I have stated my concerns with Amazon long before the election. Unlike others, they pay little or no taxes to state. Amazon collects state taxes on meters and direct sales, but not on third-party transactions that go through its site. He also blasted the fake Washington Post in a subsequent tweet. Other tech stocks also took a beating. Amazon rival Netflix was down 5.1%, Google was down 2.3%, and Facebook dropped 2.75%.